Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Google Ads report. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. After that it will simply take you to this page, and here you have to simply type in the Google Ads, then click on enter. After that it will take a couple of seconds, and from here you have to choose the first option, and once you click on the first option it will take you to the Google Ads, and here you can simply sign into your own account or create an account by clicking on the start now button. And after that it will simply take you to this dashboard, and from here what you need to do is simply click on the campaigns icon, and then you have to just simply expand the insights and reports. And once you expand the insights and reports, what you need to do is simply click on the report editor option from the below. And once you're in the report editor, what you need to do is simply click on the create report option from here. After that, here you can see it has already taken us to the report option, and from here you can just choose the campaign performance. And after that, here you can see that all the report is already showing here. You can also choose the date from here, and also you can download it by clicking on the download option from here. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.